Okay, this is the worm and wheel. So we have the worm gear here and our wheel gear sitting on top in this model. So the worm and wheel gear does not need to go together exactly like this. We could have the worm gear above or we could have it beside, but it needs to be mounted perpendicular to one another like we have here. Okay, so when we use the worm and wheel, we're going to notice that the wheel gear doesn't travel very fast. Okay, this mechanism increases the torque quite a bit. So as fast as I turn that crank, that wheel gear does not turn very much. Okay, so the input type of movement is rotary. The output type of movement is rotary because both are spinning in a circle. We have increase in the torque because our crank is turning very fast, our worm gear is turning very fast, our wheel gear is turning slower, so we know that's an increase in torque and a decrease in speed. The angle of input shaft to the output, that's a 90-degree turn. They're at 90-degree angles from each other. The flow of power is not reversible because if we take our crank and we put it in the back on the drive shaft that the wheel gear is on, clearly we can't turn that. It only works one way, when we put the crank on the worm gear. So the flow of power is not reversible, but the direction of travel is reversible. We could turn the crank both ways and we could get that wheel gear to turn left or right.